Hello, my name is Beth Mace. I'm the Chief Economist at NIC. Each quarter, NIC-MAC clients have exclusive access to the latest data and findings of trends in the seniors housing sector. This includes supply, demand, occupancy, rent growth, key transactions, and pricing activity. Today, I will briefly discuss some key points and themes that came up during the third quarter 2019 data release. In this abridged slide deck follows. This slide is a tree map that shows the level of construction activity underway, as well as construction as a share of inventory for each of the 31 NIC-MAP primary markets. The size of the box shows the absolute number of units under construction, while the color, yellow, orange, and green, indicates seniors housing construction as a share of inventory for each of the 31 primary markets. The scale ranges from 0% to 4.9%, which would be green, 5 to 9.9% yellow, and 10% or more, which is depicted as orange. For perspective, and for the primary markets, construction as a share of inventory was 6.7% yellow, or roughly 43,000 units, in the third quarter. In terms of absolute number of units under construction, the most construction underway in the third quarter was New York, top left in yellow at about 3,600 units. Dallas, near New York, yellow at about roughly 3,100 units. Atlanta, the top right, orange and 2,800 units. Phoenix, left yellow and about 2,500 units. And Houston, at the top right again, orange at about 2,500 units. While absolute unit totals do matter, some of the large, square, yellow markets on the left are a little bit of a lesser concern to me than the markets where construction as a share of inventory is 10% or higher, those markets on the right and in orange. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Please contact our client services group if you should have further questions. Bye now.